Hey everyone, I'm 467 here, and I'm back with another video. This one's kind of like a tutorial video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to teach you guys how to make a water droplet sound. But yeah, um, what you first need to do. Everyone gets this wrong. Like you can't like. I tried. I was able to skip the first step because I got it learned pretty fast. So I basically learned it, and then I was able to skip it kind of. But first, the first step. There's only really two steps. What you first need to do is get the sound down. The sound is what people usually skip. They usually do like the tap or like the flick or something, but you can't do that first. You gotta get the sound down first. So first what you have to do, try to find a quiet room or like some area where it kind of like echoes. Because then that will help you know if you're doing it right. First you need to make like a sound, like with your mouth, like almost like the tongue is touching your teeth and your gums. So you basically need to be like this for a second. So you need to get that down first. And you can also do like, if you don't get the sound like the loud enough, you can just do like, because that also helps, but it's not as effective. So the most effective thing is to do the as loud as you can. Once you get that down, what you need to do is practice it a good bit. Like probably do it for like a minute, a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes at most. Be like, and I was making this video because like a lot of people want to know how to do it. So then once you get that, you can do the flick. And then you can get any frequency. Like I do like a, and then you can do it low to high, like there you go. And that's basically all. So hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Kind of a short one, but I just kind of wanted to do it for the memes because people wanted to do it, and I got an upload today. So if you enjoyed, see you guys, and thank you for watching. See you guys.